Pakistan, a nation of 230 million people, women make up 49% of the population. The digital gender divide in Pakistan remains a challenge, with women facing barriers in accessing and using digital technologies. PTA envisions a digitally connected Pakistan where every individual has equal access to the opportunities that the digital world has to offer. Our efforts begin with the Gender Inclusion in ICTs initiative in 2022 with the formation of the Gender Inclusion Committee within PTA. Playing a pivotal role in identifying gender gaps in the ICT ecosystem, generating innovative ideas, and formulating a plan with actionable tasks for gender mainstreaming. PTA has since collaborated with various stakeholders and the telecom industry with a focus on accessibility, affordability, acquisition of digital skills, and launching of awareness campaigns, completing its pledge to the ITU's Partner to Connect Digital Coalition. The telecom operators in Pakistan are actively advancing the cause of gender inclusivity through dedicated programs and initiatives. The cornerstone of our efforts lies in the comprehensive digital gender inclusion strategy, a result of multi-stakeholder consultations, workshops, and surveys conducted nationwide.
Ministry of IT and Telecom will be working very closely with PTA and all other stakeholders for the implementation of gender digital inclusion strategy.
Jazz is proud to contribute towards a survey that resulted in the formation of this strategy. Gender is an important issue, and we think that broadband and phone access is a great equalizer to be intentional about solving this problem. Congratulations for PTA for leading this path.
Key to empowering women and enabling their full participation in Pakistan's digital economy and society.
We know in Pakistan currently women are far behind and are unable to access mobile phones or internet and really lack those digital skills. I'm truly grateful to PTA and all the partners who've come together, who've been part of this journey.
I would like to congratulate the PTA on its efforts toward digital gender inclusion strategy, what I refer to as #HerDigitalPakistan.
The journey towards digital gender inclusion is ongoing. We are not only connecting devices, but also hearts, minds, and futures of millions of women in Pakistan towards a progressive Pakistan where every woman can shape her digital destiny.